There are some riders where you almost immediately know that it's going to be a good ride. Let's discuss. Alright, so first off, I rate probably 90% of my riders 5 stars. It really isn't difficult to earn a 5-star rating as a rider in my opinion, but today I'm going to talk about the riders that you know almost instantly are going to be fantastic, and these riders are actually pretty rare. And really quickly, the 10% of riders that do earn less than a 5-star rating earn those ratings almost instantly as well, and I'm going to do another video on those riders. Alright, so how soon can I determine if a rider is going to be a 5-star rider? It starts with being on the curb outside when I arrive. That completely sets the tone. I absolutely love when I arrive at a pickup location and I can see my rider waiting outside. I don't need to worry about waiting. I don't need to worry about contacting them. They're there waiting for me and ready to enter my vehicle immediately when I arrive. And I am lucky if 25% of my riders are on the curb when I arrive any given week driving here in Minnesota. It is rare, and this doesn't mean that riders that make me wait a little aren't 5-star riders overall, but being on the curb when I arrive almost instantly confirms that it's a 5-star rider. And next, when they get in my car, they will actually engage with a friendly greeting, and you can just sense in the tone of their voice that they're probably going to be an easy person to get along with. And honestly, that's basically it. They're on the curb when I arrive, they engage with a friendly greeting, they're almost guaranteed 5 stars. With riders like these, I already know that the remainder of the ride will be a breeze. So those are the riders that almost instantly earn their 5-star rating, but the riders that drive it home even more are the ones that will actually engage in conversation. And in my experience, conversational rides pass really quickly. These are great rides, and especially if the conversation just flows organically, we may discuss a common interest. I personally love talking about sports, and also I can typically read if a rider is like-minded in their worldview, so we may actually discuss current events or even politics. Now, conversational riders are ones that I appreciate the most, but also if the rider is respectful and just wants to sit in back and do their own thing, they are still 100% a 5-star rider. But I just appreciate the riders that do actually want to engage in conversation, and these riders are even more rare than the riders that are on the curb when I arrive. And also, as the driver, I feel I need to set the tone. I always try to engage my riders with a greeting and confirm their information, and if they seem to be willing to continue to talk, I will engage them. Otherwise, I will just leave them alone. And the riders that prefer not to talk are pretty obvious. They're either looking at their phone or they may have their headphones in. And also, the best riders, when we are approaching their destination, they anticipate. They have all of their belongings ready and are ready to exit my car immediately when we arrive. They then thank me for the ride, and I always like to respond by thanking them, and then they exit the vehicle. And the cherry on top after the ride is if they actually leave a tip. And this isn't absolutely necessary to earn a 5-star rating. The riders that don't leave a tip still earn a 5-star rating, but a rider that tips is genuinely appreciated, and I try to thank all of those riders via the driver apps. Alright, so again, I rate about 90% of my riders 5-star riders. Some of them earn their 5-star rating almost immediately when 2 criteria are met. If they're on the curb and then they greet me with a friendly greeting once they enter the vehicle. And anything beyond that, if they actually want to engage in conversation, if they're completely ready when we arrive at their destination, and if they leave me a tip, that's a bonus. But what about all of you? At what point do you know that you have a 5-star rider? And what percentage of your riders do you rate 5 stars? Also, what percentage of your riders are actually on the curb and waiting when you arrive? Leave a comment below and let us know. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video discussing how at one point Uber thought Lyft would be shut down, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.